Hello everyone, I am back again with my topic pronouns and its types. Yes, we are going to continue it again in this video. There are so many types of pronouns, I know, but they are very interesting also. You already have studied them. We are just revising it. So let's continue our topic. Hi, I am Japneet and we are going to continue our topic pronoun and its types. That we are going to recap it, of course. So what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Which noun? Common noun or proper noun. For example, I, he, she, it, they, etc. So what are the types of pronouns? Easy, you already have learned it. Personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns, reciprocal pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and relative pronouns. So we already have done 5 types and we are just going to continue with the other 3. But before that we need to revise. Remember the pronouns that denote a person or persons are called personal pronouns. Yes, you know it. For example, you tell me the examples. I, me, we, our, you, him, etc. Reflexive pronouns. You already know what are reflexive pronouns. They are used when the action of subject turns back on the subject itself. They are formed by adding self or selves. For example, myself, yourself, themselves, etc. What are you thinking? That we have done a revision or not? No. So many things. Demonstrative pronouns are the words that are used to point out the things to which they refer. For example, this, those, that, these, etc. Pronouns that do not refer to any person or thing is called definite pronoun. Yes, indefinite pronouns are used as, for example, somebody, everybody, nobody, etc. Now, distributive pronouns. What are they? Distributive pronouns are used to refer to one person or a thing. They are always followed by the verb in the singular nouns. Do you remember what are they? Each, either, and neither. Yes, they are the examples of distributive pronouns. Now we are just going to continue with the new types of pronouns. I'm going to explain more types of pronouns, and firstly reciprocal pronouns. So what are the reciprocal pronouns? These pronouns denote mutual action. Each other and one another are called reciprocal pronouns. Let's see through examples. Each other is used to denote two persons or things. One another is used to denote more than two persons or things. I'm just going to give you examples of it so that you can understand it well. For example, the two brothers loved each other very deeply. Children love one another. So are you clear with the examples? We are moving on to next type, which is interrogative pronouns. So what are they? These pronouns are used for asking questions. That is very easy. You already have studied interrogative word in so many things. Remember, we have already done sentences and there were interrogative sentences. So you already know what interrogative means. It means asking question. So how they are pronounced? Let's see. The WH words are interrogative pronouns. You already know about it. What are WH words? What, when, who, whose, where, which. All these words are WH words and they are interrogative pronouns. For example, who are you? Where are you going? Which is your home? Whose pen is this? Whom do you want to talk? When is your birthday? All these examples explain you about the interrogative pronouns. And what are the interrogative pronouns? They are the WH words. Right? Very easy. Now, moving on to the next type, which is relative pronouns. What are they? Pronouns that are used to relate or refer to a noun which has gone before are called relative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which and that are relative pronoun which relates दो चीजों को जो connect करता है, relate करता है. Alright, let's see how. That is the girl won the match. These are the two sentences which we are going to connect or relate to each other. How? Let's see. The answer is that is the girl who won match. So what is the relative pronoun here? Who. Let's see one more example. This is the man I trust. How we are going to connect it, relate it? This is the man whom I trust. So what is relative pronoun here? Whom. Right. Now let's we have done our all the pronouns and I hope you have understood all the things properly, and if not, always I tell you to watch it again. Yes, do watch it again if you have not understood it well. I know sometimes it's difficult to understand it at once. Yes, so go and watch again and I hope you'll understand it well. If not, and if you want to ask any questions relating to that, comment me in the comment section. I would love to answer your questions. All right, bye bye everyone. Stay safe, stay home, take care, and do like, subscribe and share my channel. Yes. All right, bye bye.